everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes. And today we're going to talk about some of my favorite home storage solutions to help you with all of your home organizational needs. Number one is a very effective and yet stylish way to add storage to your home, and that's woven baskets. And you're seeing these everywhere, and I think they're a beautiful option when it comes to organizing things from even pet toys and treats. You can use them in your kitchen, say in your pantry even, to organize snacks and things like that. You can even use them in your bathroom to store towels and all of those items that you need organization. And I think there's different things that you can really store in these woven baskets that really give a beautiful accent to your home without it seeming to be plasticky or anything like that. Woven baskets are a great option when you're looking to store things in a stylish way. Number two, let's talk about kitchen organization. The kitchen is one of those places, even in my own home, even though when it comes to organization, the kitchen is one of those places that drives me absolutely insane when there's things everywhere, especially pantry. Especially if you have kids like me, the pantry is one of those places that you clean it and 24 hours to 48 hours later, it's quite a disaster again. There's woven baskets you can actually use, like I said, in the pantry to organize snacks and things of that nature, but you can also add something called pull-out shelves. Pull-out shelves are great if you have it in your budget to do, because basically what it is it's an item that's installed on top of your shelf in your pantry, and it pulls out and you can put all of the items that you need in there and everything stays nice and organized and you don't have to worry about clutter being all over the place. Pull-out shelves are something that we have installed in many clients' homes, not only in their pantry, but also in their bathroom vanity and also in their kitchen cabinets for pots and pans and things like that. So if it's something that's in your budget, and they're not really highly expensive, you can even get these things on Amazon. If you wanted to get a more designer or stylish type of pull-out shelf, yes, you can go with a carpenter and they can make them for you, but they're a little bit more expensive. But there is a less expensive option out there if you wanted to look at those. And I can link some in the description below if it's something that you're interested in, so that way you can at least look and see the price range of those. They're not too expensive. You've purchased them on Amazon and they're pretty easy to install even yourself. The other thing that I really love as far as kitchen organization is the plastic trays that you can purchase again from a place like Amazon. And you can store those inside all of your shelves on your fridge and organize things like kids snacks, condiments, and things like that. Because for me, the refrigerator is another one of those places that I feel like can never stay organized when people are shuffling and rummaging around in there. So these plastic trays that you can put into your fridge really help with that and makes it look very nice and organized. Number three, the other thing that I say you should really implement into your home for organization and storage is a catch-all. You might think, what is a catch-all? Well, catch-alls are things like trays, bins, and even larger trays that you can use. One of the places that I really love to use a catch-all is a dining tray or a big tea tray and use it on a coffee table. For the coffee table, you can store things on there like magazines and even a little vase of flowers, and it just makes it look beautiful, but it's storage in the end. And you can also use those catch-all trays that either can be leather or glass or even plastic if it's something that you're looking to do, to store those remotes that always end up all over the place. And those are really a great option. And I really also like those to put them in the bathrooms for jewelry and that sort of thing, to keep everything kind of in one place so you don't feel like all of your things are just all over the place. Number four, the other thing I want to talk about is a cloth storage bin. And these are great. It's something you can find literally at Walmart, Amazon, any of those places. And for me, in my own home, how I implement these cloth storage bins is I had a bit of an issue with the kids keeping their clothes organized for their school schedule on a daily basis. So what I did with this, as you can see here, is if you have the room in, say, your laundry room, if you have a large cabinet, you can buy these cloth bins and insert them in there, and you can clothes in there for each day. I have 2 kids, so 2 sets of clothes in each bin for each day, and I prepare it on Sunday. So that way for the rest of the week, we're not rummaging around trying to find clothes for the day. As you know, kids, I have a preteen and a teenager, so sometimes it can be a little wacky with trying to make sure that all the clothes are organized and clean and all of that stuff. So this makes this a very easy solution for making sure that there's clothes for the kids and ready to go for the rest of the week. And of course, you can also use these things again for dog toys. These things can be stacked on bookshelves for books. You can put pillows in them if they're big enough, blankets, all kinds of things. So I think that these things are really great and a lot of times overlooked because sometimes aesthetically people don't think that they really look designer or really nice, but I think functionally they're great for a storage solution for your home. And number 5, I want to talk about one last wall or shoe organizer that I think are a beautiful solution for storage. Most of these things are made for shoes, but they can actually be stored on the back of a door or on a wall, and they can organize, like I said, shoes, but you can also use them for hair dryers and toiletries in your bathroom. You can even use them on the back of a pantry door for other things in your pantry that you need to store, like garbage bags and things like that, to really organize everything to make it look nice. I think these cloth or even plastic wall organizers are a great option for storage organization in your home. I hope these 5 tips were helpful for you for home storage organization. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.